Hi, I'm Dale.
And I'm Michael.
And welcome to
Spotted Motors.
And welcome to
A garage door.
A garage door. So we've got an absolutely amazing car behind us, haven't we?
Yeah.
And the chap who owns it has kindly said, get it out and go and have some fun with it. So that's exactly what we're going to do.
Dan works offshore, doesn't he?
Yeah.
So he chucked us a key, he said, I'm going away, do a film on my car while I'm away.
So yeah, we jumped at the chance, absolutely jumped at the chance. So what we're going to do, we're going to get out the garage, we're going to have a look round it, a proper look round it. Mike's got a few specs and stuff on it. And then there's a little local, like coffee classics morning.
Cars and coffee, mate.
Yeah, so
we'll
go there. Well, yeah,
why not?
In the noise box. Let's get it out.
Car. Ready?
Woo! So for the eagle-eyed viewers, this car has been featured on Spotted Motors before because we went and collected it, didn't we?
Yeah, we picked it up for Dan, didn't we? Yeah. Cool, isn't it?
It's Michael. I think it's going to be one of them days today. So in true hot rod and custom car fashion, we're pushing it out. Why are we pushing it out, Michael?
It won't start.
It won't start.
I don't know if we're missing something here.
It's pitch black in there. Obviously it's not our car. Michael's struggling to push this. Are you ready? Heave, 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 heave. So, well, there she is. So not the most glamorous start to a video that we've ever done, but we're just trying to work out how to start the bugger. So we thought the fuel pump wasn't kicking in, but it's actually mechanical. So it just doesn't sound like we're like getting ignition or a spark as such. So we're just going to have a little play now.
Dale, I know this car normally just fires straight up.
Right, what we're going to do now is get it parked up so we can walk around it, and then we'll start to be a little bit more professional, sort of. So Michael, should we get the Spotted Motors excuses out the way first? So, wrong microphone. Ice cream man's coming any minute now. And we're not 100% sure of specs, are we? Because the owner's not with us.
Yeah, no, we know what you're about. We know
Yeah, yeah.
64.
Yeah.
64 Ford Consul with a roof top, obviously.
Yeah.
Bit of a pro street thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like an 80s sort of like pro street.
Pro street hot rod.
Yeah.
It's got a stroked small block Chevy in it.
Yeah.
Quite a few good bits inside of there. It's been tuned. It's quite lively.
Which we're not willing to find out today.
It's got a TH 350 gearbox and then a Ford 9-inch back axle with a spool in it.
Yeah.
So it's all there, you know what I mean? Decent set of tyres on this and you'd have some good fun with it.
Yeah, yeah.
But I think like it's just a good all-round cruiser.
It's a for me it's an 80s hot rod.
It is, yeah.
If you know what I mean, it's
like the lights, the roof top.
exactly, yeah.
You know, it's 80s style, isn't it? I love it.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it.
It's like exactly what the sticker is in the back window. It is what a custom car was doing back in the 80s and very early 90s. Roof chops. Sorry about the wind. You know, like two-tone paint and stuff like that. It's just it's a proper cool thing.
It's cool. I like it a lot.
Inside, Dan's just swapped the seats out, hasn't he?
Yeah.
But sort of typical like hot rod in here. We've got a roll cage and it's cramped with a roof top. Seats are stunning, mind. Yeah, it's just a cool car, isn't it?
It is. It is. Like I say, when we went to pick this car up, we were buzzing, weren't we?
Yeah.
Proper cool car. Now we get the chance to drive it.
Which we're worried that the seats don't slide, so it might be me driving.
Well, that's a good thing, isn't it? I'll be pleased to hear that.
So yeah, we're gonna go cruise now to a local show. I'm gonna get some photos beforehand though, and then we're gonna go cruise to a local show and yeah, just see what everyone thinks.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll turn some legs on it.
Definitely so, Michael. Just now cruising to the show, having a good bit of fun driving it. I don't think the seats are quite finished yet, Dan, but we'll let you off with that. You've got a legendary car. So Dan drove this from Billingham to Santa Pod and back, which was a feat in itself. Yeah.
We're doing about 4 miles a minute,
Yeah. Which for these seats is enough, Dan. I think I might mention the seats. So it's a lovely place for a show, this Wynyard Hall, the Golden Gates, and it's a beautiful drive into the show. The show started about 10 o'clock till about 3, so obviously we're heading here now about
just
half, yeah,
half,
so hopefully there's a few bits here. But obviously the main thing is this car.
Cruising.
Yeah. Michael, we made it.
We made it, the sun's out. It's heaving.
It's absolutely rammed, and it's fitting in extremely well, isn't it? Extremely well.
Got loads of attention on it.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, sounds lovely, doesn't it?
So obviously today is not about the show on the camera, it's all about the car.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, we're going to have a walk around, me and Mike are going to have a walk around, and we're going to go and pick a little spot later on as well for some photos of the car. So we'll catch up properly again with the car then. Yeah. I don't know, might even go through drive-through. How's that for an idea?
That's a good idea.
Yeah, that is a good idea.
That is a good idea.
Right, until then, we'll see you in 10 minutes. Great day with Dan's car at Wynyard Hall today, haven't we?
Yeah, fantastic.
Loads of attention as well.
Yeah, it has.
We've literally spoke to everyone about this car because it's such a unique car, and with it being roof chopped and tubbed and you know all that type of stuff, it just draws a lot of attention, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The sun's come out for us as well, so it's been a bloody good day.
It has.
Absolutely fantastic day. Loads of photos. It's just a shame Dan wasn't here, I'd say.
Yeah, it'd be nice to have Dan on with us, wouldn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But we'll follow this car again, and if he goes racing or whatever else, we can get involved as well. So we're going to head off now. We're going to find a nice little spot, aren't we, Michael, for some photos in brackets burnout.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll head back to the garage and a successful and a good day.
Happy days.
Cheers, Dan, for the first console experience. All is well so far. I've moved about 100 yards, but gets tons of attention.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Tons of attention. It's nice to get in like some hot roddy that's drivable, isn't it? You know,
very usable, isn't it?
very, very usable. And again, just it turns heads. Everyone's looking. Everyone's looking.
It's the sound as well, isn't it? It sounds lovely.
Very tempted to like blip it, but obviously it's a classic car show, and so Wynyard Hall, thanks very much for having us. It's been a treat, especially with the sunshine out as well.
Yeah, it's been lovely.
We're going to head, and I'm going to hand the wheel back over to Michael because he's better at burning than me. let's go before the farmer comes. Let's go, pro still on.
Yeah. What was that like? Smoky enough?
Smoky, Michael. It's fucking hell. Let's go, pro still. I jump out and get the GoPro.
Is the GoPro still on?
Yeah.
We'll get down the road a bit. Or do you want to get it now?
I'll get it now. Just, oh, look. I'll jump out and get it now. I'm back in the passenger seat, that's the worst bit though. So that was way too much fun, Michael, wasn't it?
Can't beat Burnout, can you?
Yeah, that just tops the day off there. Absolutely tops the day off there. Loved it, so just want to do it again, don't you? So we're going to head back to the garage now, put this beauty away, and we've had a fantastic morning and afternoon with this car. Absolutely fantastic. Can't thank Dan enough. Just hope we can put together a decent enough video. So
Yeah, I'm sure we'll try and make it.
So get your seats bolted in, Dan.
Yeah.
Not a bad angle there, you know, Michael. And what a
Class model.
absolutely brilliant. Yeah.
It was nice to get a little car show with it. Car got loads of attention. Nice to drive it there. Nice little burnout at the end. So,
yeah. It was absolutely spot on. I think the start of the video we were a bit nervous and that because it's not our car, and we would have preferred to have Dan with us.
Yeah, obviously.
But yeah, it was just a really good day, and it's a shame to put it away because the more you drive it, the more you like driving it. You don't want to put it away, do you? But yeah, awesome, and I can guarantee you'll see it again.
Oh, absolutely.
On Spotted Motors, because Dan wants to get heavily involved with doing a lot with the car.
Yeah, I think he's got big plans for it over the winter.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's cool. I really enjoyed it, mate.
Yeah, me too. So Dan, thank you very much indeed.
Yeah.
We're gonna go home now and let that all that sink in. So yeah, just want to always say, if you haven't done so already, get subscribed. We're nearly at 3,000 now, so it'd be nice to nice to hit that. And just as always, as we always say, Michael,
thanks very much for watching.
We've been
Spotted Motors. Cheers, Dan.
Cheers, Dan.